today we are going to go through how to certify a death, but improvise. So meaning you have to know how to examine and everything. But I'll just show how to document when you are certifying death. Okay. So as usual, the first thing you write in our setup is where we indicate where you are doing it from. So of course, if it's the word, we're going to put we're going to say word 8. That's what 8. Then the time you're seeing the patients, the time you are seeing the patient, which is certifying the death, you see, then 08. Then the date, which is like that. Then your name. So you have to indicate your name. Then you write the patient reviewed. So you are called to review a patient, so we write patient reviewed. When the age, let's say male 40 years old. Then you write the condition. So this patient was being managed for. So in our setup we usually put the straight line, okay, as a demarcation. So being managed for COPD, being managed for COPD with severe malaria, and severe anemia. Okay. Then if there are also other details you might like to patient reviewed, if there are also other details you'd like to mention, or I don't know what other condition the patient was suffering from, so that being you write what the condition was, then of course then that's all. So if there is any detail you might want to add, you can add here. Okay, so that was what was patient being managed for. Then the other thing I'm going to say is you're in examination. So in examination, of course, your general condition, not your general condition. So when you are certifying a death, the first thing you start with depends on what you want to start with. So me, I usually start with the pupils. So on both sides. So you make sure you have a torch, or you can use your phone and just light the torch from the phone. So we're going to say the first eye, you turn on your torch, then you check for any reflexes or any reaction to light. So if they are all fixed, you say pupils dilated, and not reacting to light. Okay, that's one point. Then from the eyes, you assess the carotid pulse, your peripheral pulses, all the pulses you check for them. Okay, so if there is no pulse felt, you're going to say no pulse felt. Okay, then of course your GCS here, your Glasgow glaucoma scale. So your GCS, I'm sure by now you know how to do your GCS. So GCS 3 out of 15. So I1, verbal 1, and motor 1. Then you go to your RIS. So you have to auscultate all the areas of auscultation on both sides equal. So if you do on the left, what you do on the left, you do on the right. So which will take you about 3 minutes. So no lung sounds, no lung sounds aid. Okay, after 3 minutes over auscultation. Okay, that's one. So no lung sounds aid after 3 minutes of auscultation. go to your CVS. So don't say S1, S2, non-age. So again, you have to listen to O. So your aortic, your pulmonic, your tricuspid, your mitral. So you say for 3 minutes. So you put your stethoscope in the aortic, you wait for a long period of time, then you change until you do all the 4 areas. So no heart sounds aid after 3 minutes of auscultation. 3 minutes of auscultation. Then after you do your CVS, you've already done everything. So this is where we are coming from. Okay, you've already done everything. Then your assessment now. So this differs from where you're doing it from, but this is what we do. Okay, then your assessment, you are going to say confirmed in capital letters, confirmed death, then time of death, TOD. So there's usually, if you find they have already written the time of death on the death strip, just use that one. So if it was maybe around 0940, that's what you write. So that's the time, that's what the time of death. Then your time of certification, because you were called to certify a death. So the time we came was 10:08. So this, maybe you can say TOC, but in Spain, TOC. Okay, that's TOC. Then okay, plan. So our plan. Okay, let me just write the plan here. Okay, so that we have more space. So plan. That's the plan. 1, inform relatives. Okay, that's 1, inform relatives. Then 2, prepare body for morgue, prepare body for mortuary and cell, or other people, they say last offices, that's what they call it, where they put a patient in blankets and they tie and they prepare everything. So that's prepare body for morgue and cell. Okay, then that's all. Then if there's anything maybe you want to do, you can even put, then you write, may he or so rests in peace, then you sign. That's okay. So that's so then here I forgot one thing. So patient reviewed male 40 years, then you indicate, so you were called, so you say code to review. This is the important part. So code to review and responsive patient. Then they begin being managed for. So almost forgot about this part, which is very important. So patient reviewed, male 40 years, then code to review and a responsive patient being managed for, then you end. Then if you want, you can just end prepare body for mortuary, then that's all. When they understand this is the last offices. Okay.